Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are happy, healthy and grateful, and I hope you are as excited for this video as I am. I am back with another really exciting video, another exciting haul actually, because this is the season of sales, so almost everything on every brand is on a sale and it's the perfect time to grab everything that you had in your wish list for a long time. And I happen to do the same with H&M. तो अभी as you know H&M पे बहुत ज़्यादा सेल चल रही है, both online and offline. And online पे in fact even right now as I am filming this video, I just checked the website and some of its articles are still on 70% off. So I'm sure आपने अभी तक check कर ही लिया होगा. And if you haven't been able to decide what you want from there, maybe I can help you with this video to pick out something that you might like. This is the first time जब मैंने H&M से इतनी सारी shopping की है and I'm going to share all of that with you. Also, कुछ चीजें मैंने ऑफलाइन खरीदी है. So I happened to visit the Connaught Place H&M store one day and I did not know that वहाँ पे भी सेल है. But then I visited the store and almost ऐसा लग रहा था कि स्टोर में सब कुछ फ्री में मिल रहा है. इतने सारे लोग थे and there was just like it was a chaos in the store. Like how do I even tell you? सब कुछ बाहर फ्लोर पे गिरा हुआ था and like it was really difficult to find things in the store. So I only managed to get like 2-3 things from there, but offline I did get a lot of things that I wanted to buy for a long time. However, I would like to mention that not everything from this haul is going to be on sale. Some of the things that I have picked up are on full price. Also, in case you like anything from this video and you wish to buy them, don't worry, I am going to link all of that in the description box below. So let's get started with the haul. So first, let's get out of the way the things that I picked up from the store. I picked up a total of 3 things from the store. The first one being this black crop tropical print shirt. So it has these colorful flowers and petals and leaves and like a very tropical print, and it gave me very vacation vibes. And I thought 2021 में तो पक्का से कोई vacation तो हो ही जाएगी जल्दी से. So मैंने ये pick कर लिया. Actually the main reason for picking this up was the price. So it was actually priced at ₹999 if you can see it, and it costed me $199. This is in the size 34 and I tried it with a knot on and it was looking really beautiful. The next thing that I picked up from the store is again something that I picked up keeping a vacation in mind, and it is this white strappy maxi dress, as you can see. So this is a tiered dress and it has this crinkled sort of a pattern all over it, and I think ये थोड़ा सा transparent हो सकता है. So I'm gonna see what I will wear underneath this one. It was actually priced at ₹1,999 and this one costed me ₹599. इसमें एक दो और colors थे. I think there was a green color in this and a lilac lavender sort of a color. But मैंने ये white वाला पिक किया. Also I think ये यहाँ पे बेल्ट लगा के it would look really nice. But ये size L में available था and तो मैंने यही ले लिया. I might have to get this altered, but I'm going to have to see that. On to the last item that I picked up from the store, and that is a white shirt. मैं बहुत टाइम से एक white shirt ढूंढ रही थी and actually I picked this up from the men's section. So it's this basic plain cotton white shirt. That's how it looks. And this was originally priced at ₹1499, but then this one costed me $799. But I think white shirt is such a staple when it comes to having in your wardrobe, be it for summers or winters, and I was looking for one for a long time, so I picked this one up. So that was everything that I picked up from the store. Moving on to the things that I have purchased online. All that I have picked up online is in this big dabba, as you can see, starting with this black puff sleeved jumper. This is how it looks. It has a square neckline, and I personally really like square necklines. And this is from the H&M Conscious collection, and इसका material काफी soft and cozy है. It's perfect for Delhi winters. This is such a versatile piece. मतलब ये आप कितने सारे तरीके में style कर सकते हो. You can pair this with a pair of denims, a skirt, even a formal trouser maybe, and it would look really nice. So this one was priced at rupees 14.99. This is in the size M. The next item that I have picked up is this short sweatshirt in this cream off-white sort of a color, and it also has this drawstring at the hem, and इसके ऊपर एक ये cute सा print है. It has an angel on it, and यहाँ पे mixed feelings लिखा है. It looks really nice पहन के. It has these dropped shoulder also. इसके अंदर ये बहुत cozy जो fleece lining होता है ना वो है, so it will keep you warm. Paired with a high-waisted jeans or a high-waisted jeggings, it would look really nice. And this was priced at rupees 14.99. Moving on to the next item, which is this black and red check button down shirt in a cotton fabric. Now I picked this up because this pattern is such a classic, and especially in this color combination it looks really beautiful for winters, paired with black skirts or black denims, anything. However, the only issue I have with this one is website पे when I checked it तो वो model को mid thigh तक आ रहा था. So I mean it looked a little bit longer, but when I tried this one it's a little too short for me from what I imagined it to be. So I might end up returning it. I'll have to see, but this is priced at rupees 999. Moving on to the next item, and that is something which is so much in trend these days and everybody's wearing it, and it is a pair of imitation leather leggings. So this is a black high-waisted leather leggings. Actually it gives a leather look and it looks really smart. Also this is my first time trying out something like this, so let's see ये कैसा लगने वाला है. And this was actually priced at rupees 14.99. We're on to the last two clothing pieces of our H&M haul, one of which I am wearing right now. It is this beautiful lilac lavender knit jumper with these drop shoulders, and it is a little too boxy. As you can see, it's very comfortable, and it's a crop length jumper, and this is in a solid color, so I think it's beautiful for pairing with other different pattern or solid pieces as well. And the next jumper that I have picked up from the same category but in a different color is this grey one. So grey is such a winter wardrobe staple, and I did not have one till now. I in fact did not have this lavender color as well, and I think it just looks so beautiful and bright. It lifts up the mood instantly. These are also available in a bunch of different colors. I saw a red, a yellow, green, brown, many options, and these are not very warm. I think ये February March वाली जो ठंड होती है ना, when you need like a single layer and just a jacket to wear on top, उसके लिए बिल्कुल ठीक है. And both of these were priced at rupees 799 each. Also, a little suggestion, if you consider buying any of these, then do size down, because these are a little too boxy. The only jewelry item that I have picked up from H&M is this golden snake ring. This is what it looks like. It has these silver and black rhinestone detailing, as you can see, and it also has some texture on the ring. This is from the H&M Conscious collection, and this was priced at rupees 399. Now don't ask me why I picked this up. I think I was feeling a little too experimental, but I do feel that this is going to look really, you know, like a statement piece when worn with like a basic outfit. Moving on to my most favorite purchase from this entire shopping, which is this black small shoulder bag. I think this is such a smart piece because first, this is structured. Secondly, I love the golden detailing that it has. It has these two zipper compartments and it is extremely spacious, as you can see. You can easily throw in your phone, cash, and a lot of things along with it, lip balm, and you know, all your necessary things in here, and just take it on the go. The fact that I really love about this is the straps. Here are these detachable and adjustable thick straps, so it is easy on the shoulders. मतलब आप इसमें कुछ भी चीजें डालो, अगर ये heavy भी हो जाएगा, so your shoulders wouldn't really hurt. And because ये adjustable है, you can hold it as a shoulder bag. You can adjust the straps and make it into a crossbody bag or a side sling bag. Also, this is from their Conscious collection, and this was priced at rupees 1499. But I think this is one of the most useful purchases of this entire haul, because firstly, ये किसी भी outfit के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Second, it has a lot of space. So it's such a basic piece, but very, very smart at the same time. We come to the end of this H&M haul, guys. That was it for this video. That was all that I purchased from the store and from the app. Let me know which was your favorite. Leave it in the comment section below. In case you want to purchase any of these, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below, so do check it out. I would love to know your feedback, and I would also like to know what else do you want me to film next. If you know, want me to do another haul, another type of video, do leave in your video suggestions. I would love to know that. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. And again, comment down below. I am going to see you in my next video. Till then, find out what you love and do a lot of it. Bye.